Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we forget guys our Bluetooth earphone to our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to forget your Bluetooth earphone, so as you can forget it. And guys, now let's see how to forget Bluetooth earphone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So friends, you want to forget guys your Bluetooth earphone to your Oppo phone. So friends, how can you forget? In this video I will show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to forget it. And first of all, open your phone setting to forget your Bluetooth earphones. So guys, click on guys your Bluetooth setting guys. So you can see that we have connected this Ubon CL. So we want to forget. So how can we forget? So right side guys, you can see this icon guys, tap here, and guys you can see your device name, disconnect and unpair option. So once you want to change guys your Bluetooth earphone name, so guys you can change your Bluetooth earphone name from here. And guys you want to forget, so guys click on this unpair option to forget it. Then it will forget to your phone. Guys you want to connect guys, you will have to connect again. Then guys you can use your earphones, and guys, we will off also our earphones also guys. I hope friends you have understood how to forget Bluetooth earphone to Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.